manufacturing businesses have to deal with hundreds of suppliers for procuring goods. This process involves generating thousands of purchase orders and invoices per month. Managing these invoices manually would lead to discrepancies and errors. This is where accounts payable software comes in. Introducing SutiAP, the AI-powered accounts payable solution comes with the ability to automatically capture receipt data and match invoices with receipts and purchase orders. Let's see how our solution can significantly reduce turnaround times, optimize core processes, and cut costs through its comprehensive set of features. With SutiAP, you can eliminate manual data entry and automate invoice processing while accelerate payment cycles. Whether you receive invoices via email, mail, or fax, our proprietary OCR solution intelligently extracts relevant information and automatically populates data on the invoice. SutiAP reconciles incoming invoices with corresponding purchase orders, flagging any discrepancies and facilitating swift resolution. With manufacturing operations often spanning multiple locations, SutiAP centralizes accounts payable operations across all your facilities, ensuring consistency and visibility across the organization. SutiAP integrates effortlessly with leading ERP platforms, enabling real-time synchronization of financial data for enhanced visibility and control. Our comprehensive audit trails track every transaction, approval, and modification, ensuring transparency and accountability at every step. Track spending trends, identify cost-saving opportunities, and make informed decisions to optimize your cash flow. And with mobile accessibility, you can approve invoices and manage payables on the go, giving you flexibility and control wherever you are. Ready to take your accounts payable to the next level? Contact us today at 6509697884 or schedule a demo and see how SutiAP can empower your manufacturing business.